Maybe if we lived here forever, the rain would get old, but no, it doesn't get old for me. Look at this.
Rain isn't cold.
It's because it's a beautiful summer rain.
Well, it's not winter. And rain is never winter. And it's raining.
Oh, it just sounds so nice. There's thunder coming from over that side. Oh, did you see the lightning? It's over here. It wasn't a streak of lightning, it just lit up the sky, so it's probably behind those clouds. Or it could have even been right behind one of those buildings. It's just brighter. There's school. And if we had gone to school today, oh, I saw that lightning.
Yeah.
We would be picking them up right now in this rain. But we were on Saboga Island yesterday. Some of us had fever, some of us had thorns on our feet and had to go to urgent care. So we did not go to school today.
Me and Selena had to go to urgent care because I got blisters in my foot. It's right there.
Those are thorns. She got a bunch of thorns in her foot when we went on a hike to see Century's old tree on Saboga Island 2 days ago. Yeah. We think, did the doctor say what they thought it was? I thought maybe black palm. Because black palm trees have these like black spikes on them. That if I was gonna guess, because I just really couldn't find anything else. I could just sit on this balcony and just watch this rain for hours. That right there, that mountain, well, it's not a mountain, it's a hill. It's Cerro Ancon. Cerro Ancon, right, Izzy? We hiked that with Grandma when we first got here. And Mama has hiked it again, and we are gonna hike it another time as a family before we leave. You can't see it because this building is blocking it, but there's a Panamanian flag that sticks out of it. So it's very identifiable when you're driving around Panama and you see that hill. You're like, that's what that is.